So as the MD of SPCB, SPCB is an import and export business of air filtration machinery and equipment and degreasing chemicals for industry. So we are completely import and export, and we work on a cash basis accounting system for VAT. Prior to Zoho Books, we tried lots of different accounting packages, and none of them actually had the capability of mixing cash accounting and accrual accounting in the same system and being able to automatically give us the figures. So for the last 25 years, we have had to do manual VAT returns completely, which is a lot of work. And now, especially with digital processing of VAT returns, which is MTD coming up, Zoho Books has given us the confidence that we can actually submit that data to HMRC and know that the figures are accurate.